So I just thought I'd do a quick video packing my tool kit away. So in here at the bottom, actually, I've got a spare pair of brake pads because I'm paranoid. So spare pair of brake pads. I'm taking way too much stuff. One spare spark plug socket. This is a suspension socket, sorry, for the swinging arm, but it's a very special type. So I thought, well, it's going to stay with the bike anyway, so I'll keep it with the bike if I can. You want to pack the big things first, so I'm going to put in all the. These are the Allen keys. These are all the spanners that I need for the bike, including one of these screwdrivers, and quite a few zip ties are in this bag. So just an old jiffy bag. They'll work quite well at damping the noise as well. The Allen keys, a little roll of Gorilla Tape, just handy to have. I've used it to repair bags actually. Usually like canvas bags and stuff like that. I've actually used that to repair that on the road. I'm just going to put that in there. It's just a little USB charger thing. I'll probably take that out and put it on the bike. Folding pliers. So this is a little first aid kit I bought. Just the standard stuff, you know, plasters and the basic stuff, tweezers, that sort of thing. That's going to go in the seats. So the BMW has like a seat compartment, so that's going to go in the seat. Don't have to worry about that. Spare hose clamps, nuts and bolts, some switches and fuses because the electrics on mine are questionable, and a couple of little spare rubber grommets and stuff. Right, so I've actually put them underneath now because I think I want access to the spanners before I want access to the spares. And then that closes down like that. Then all my tools sit under the bike, just there. There we go. Right, so the rest of this stuff. So I've a little roll bag here. So I've taken my inner tubes, wrapped them up nice and tight with the duct tape, stuck the bit of cardboard on front so I know which one's which, and then I just stick it in the bag. Oh yes, and a little tub of grease, and my little pump. Super handy. So if you ever take the wheels off or anything and you want to re-grease the axle, you've got some to do so. And certain parts do get stiff on the bike, like the brake pedals and stuff like that. They're on pivot points and they need to be re-lubricated. And on a big road trip, just handy to have a little pot of grease just to get things in motion again, rather than using WD-40, which is like a temporary fix. I don't actually have any WD-40 in this kit. Wow, I might have to rectify that with a small can. Oh, and of course, 3 tyre levers. Because I like 3. 3's the magic number. Makes it much easier with 3. You can do it with 2. It's easier with 3. As these don't weigh a lot, I also stash some of these around as well. Rubber gloves, they can go in as well. Just in there, that's fine. And then when lubricating the tyre, to get it back on, I use whatever's available. So you can use water. Shift, it's not terrible. I mean, it's a cleaner, but it does act as a bit of a lubricant. And then also window lane, but also washing up liquid. But washing up liquid contains salt. Salt can corrode and cause rust. So washing up liquid, yeah, if you know got nothing else, then yeah, that's good. Just a little bottle of that. I'll probably keep this in my cleaning kit. So yeah, that's pretty much all my kit. That all goes on the bike. Repairing myself. Tools to repair the bike. Spare tubes, pump, and levers. And one last thing. I haven't worked out exactly where to put it just yet, but that's oil. So I will top it up and I'll have a spare litre of oil on the bike. I haven't got the big seat on the bike at the moment, but when I do, that'll just mount to there. And then all my camping gear will just mount to the back seat. And then I've got the whole front seat to myself. So yeah, not too bad. So yeah, in the seat, first aid kit happily fits. That is literally the perfect size. And that folds back down and then job done. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Just a little quick video on tools I bring on this bike. I'll put some links below, maybe to that little first aid kit that I picked up, and some, I don't know, maybe something else, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye.